you open the door?
Okay, can you open the door?
No. Okay, we'll open it. We'll open it for you.
Okay, we'll open it then.
Yeah.
The police are on their way.
Good.
Good.
Yeah, this is criminal.
That's okay.
Yeah, why don't you open the door?
Why are you opening the door?
Well, we're going to have to take it in.
That's criminal. It is an ongoing private criminal prosecution which I can prove to you, and it's been investigated by action fraud. It's all fraud. They made it all
I've got a
up.
warrant here that says differently, you know that? So
Can I see the warrant?
you've got it, there it is.
Yeah, can I have a look at it? Yeah, well, you see, the tribunal's court.
We've been on this,
Yeah, tribunal's court.
It's called
Yeah,
property, alright?
Schedule 12, section 26. You're supposed to show me your ID, and I'm allowed to look at that
Yeah,
warrant.
well, I got my ID
And
there. If you
also,
open the door,
section
you'll be able to see it, won't you?
of the same act,
Yeah.
you're not allowed to use force unless you either applied for a warrant to use force, or if there is provision in that warrant, and that's why I believe you're not showing me. This is
We've got it.
all fraud.
We've got it.
Yeah.
So I can see it now.
Yeah, you can see it there, look.
No, no,
Come down
don't
and open the
stop.
door.
Do we stop?
Come down and open the door.
Understand that? Is that it's a live criminal prosecution when the police get it will show you clear. Yeah.
Oh, obviously. So that's what we do.
You know what we get.
Okay, wait, boys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Obviously he's not answering Thursday.
No. As soon as he tries his own money.
Yeah, we've got a warrant to take possession of the property today. We've had notice. We've had problems with the whole.
What's his name? Mr. Persson.
Can I please have a word with you, sir?
So let me in.
No. No. No, that would be silly.
I was going to come in regardless. So.
Yeah, see, now I've written to the police commissioner. Will you hold the window open, Kath? I've written to the police commissioner, and when you say we, that's assisting the bailiffs. Look, I have. This is criminal, sir. It's being investigated by action. It's all fraud. They made it all up. And I've got a live criminal prosecution. Here's the most recent email from the court stated on 25th of July. It's all there, sir.
For what? For the case
For this fraud. I've got 29 out of 30 charges.
Here it is. And they're still trying to come in and say
And it's being investigated by action fraud. It's all fraud, sir.
Go through
And
if you
look,
want with the case number. It's
right.
still live.
It is still live. Look, there. It's telling you there. It's adjourned till September, look.
Right? That's
Right,
from the court.
private criminal prosecution against the mortgage. It was all made up, and the judge allowed 29 out of my 30 charges. If you phone the commissioner at Gwent headquarters, he knows all about it. I've let him know about it. Plus action fraud. They're investigating. There's the crime reference number. Please check if you wish.
Relates to anything?
No.
But if he says it's criminal, it's nothing to do with this. It's
Well,
civil.
exactly.
Of course it is.
Yeah,
You can't steal
Yeah.
something which is being investigated for fraud.
Fail to pay, isn't it?
Fail to pay for it,
2015.
Oh,
Yeah.
hang on a minute, because it's a fraudulent mortgage. That's the whole point
Yeah.
of the live criminal prosecution.
And they put in fraudulent documents into the court soon. The judge agreed with me in the criminal courts. Officer,
He's got him.
2015.
officer, the judge agreed and issued the charges that they put false documents into the court. The judge agreed that they put false documents into the court and issued the summons were issued, sir.
Yeah, no, that's fine. We'll just wait for the doors.
Only here for breach of the peace.
You phone your commissioner.
1272 is his
Phone your
number.
commissioner.
Right, yeah, no, I'm not having this. No way. It's a live criminal prosecution, criminal override civil.
No, it's
No, it's
not.
not the first time,
Because
they
it's
keep
been
going
put
in
off
all the
because
time.
they've got
It's not the first time at all. I've been here 3 times videoing you.
No, he said it's not the first time. That's
No,
because
it's
the
not,
criminal
because it's
court-
still going through
Right.
court.
Section 26 of the
I
criminal
don't
court.
know.
Well, maybe you should find out before you
Right,
let them
listen
break
to me a
in.
minute.
Calm down a minute.
What these chaps are saying is they have a warrant to enter the property.
Have you
to evict
inspected
you,
that
okay?
warrant, sir?
Because of the fact that you haven't paid your rent.
Yeah, no,
Because
no,
it's fraudulent.
I don't
Maybe
know
you
that.
should find
okay?
out.
Right,
I
hold
don't
this a minute,
know. I don't
Dan.
know that.
Can we explain to you a minute? That's fair enough. What you're saying, right, yeah, we haven't paid it. Do you know why?
Right.
Because it's a fraudulent mortgage and we've gone through the courts. We are still going through the courts. Check the crime reference number, their criminal
You're
case
not going
number
through the county
with the
court,
criminal courts. It's not even...
Doesn't matter who is going through. The person who forged signatures is getting done for it.
Find out before you let them steal. Right. Criminal Courts and Justice Act 2015. You were liable to 14 years.
Right, okay, go on.
Right.
Have
Have
they-
they?
have
You're not listening to me.
Right.
You're letting
Please.
speak a
Okay.
minute.
I'll let you speak.
You can
They have a
understand our
warrant.
stress.
You're not listening to me. Right, they have a warrant to enter the property to evict you, okay? Right,
It's a civil warrant.
but they have a
Criminal.
warrant,
Yeah, but
okay?
you can't take somebody's house while it's being investigated for fraud.
You can-
Criminal override civil. You can't do that.
Their warrant indicates other.
No,
They
because
can't.
they've got the
Right,
warrant fraudulent.
sir.
This is what this is all about.
Sir, there are charges against the warrant, sir.
Right, I'm going to phone the commissioner, I think.
Yeah, phone the commissioner.
Right, hold that
We
open.
need your duty sergeant before they start smashing that door because you are liable there, sir, for 14 years. Yeah,
I'm not liable.
no, you are.
I'm not.
Please read Section 26 of the Criminal Justice and Courts Act 2015. Please read it. Because you are liable. Dan, have you got me telling him?
Yeah.
I'm informing him and I'm holding the legislation in front of him and he's saying that he's not liable. He is liable to 14 years. It says it there. The charges are against the warrant also.
That's the whole point of this.
I think you need your duty sergeant or someone to come here. Right, ring the Commissioner, Kath.
Right, what's the number?
No, I know I'm crying, but
Yeah, so yeah.
no, ring. Ring him, mate.
Well, babe,
Is it someone's birthday over your house?
it is. Alicia's.
Because I can see the person
You can't you?
Well,
1272.
Hello?
Right guys, it's an example of what's happening to my friend's house this morning. There's a 7-year-old daughter inside, absolutely petrified, screaming as you can hear, scared. I want everybody to see this and comment. These are people that protect society. Dirty, filthy scum. Every one of them. Look at how many people it takes. Smug police officers stood there threatening to arrest me because they're cunts. Another one there that can't look because he's so embarrassed. Another one there. Pile of stinking, dirty pieces of trash. Everyone watch and share this, what these fucking people are doing to my best friends. All these dirty men. Look at this. Look at that, there's a little girl in there, aged fucking 7. This is what society does. Look at it all. Have a give a fucking smile. Pigs. Share all this. Come on, you come at mine. Little girl calling for a daddy because she's petrified. Absolute bunch of arseholes. All wave at the camera, pigs. Oh, it's all on, love. It's all live.
You two especially with your ass crossed, just watch it.
These two.
14 years.
These two smug police officers. Foul. Yeah. Everyone look at this. Cunts. He owns this house. Mine signatures have been forged and proven. It's horrendous really, isn't it? I'm shaking from head to toe. I can't begin to imagine what my friends are going through. Normally, social services would be here taking a child from a family if a parent behaved like this. Now, this is how many men are doing this to this family. There's a little girl in there sobbing. Not a care in the world. Lives being ripped apart while they get a nice fat stinking wage off the government.
Private criminal prosecution that's underway, and in the meantime you crept in and stolen my house. Do you think you're going to get away with it? Please? You're having a laugh, and in the meantime you terrorised my 7-year-old daughter. Nice one. Good on you. I hope you're proud. Proud of protecting people. Proud of protecting their properties like your own state.
It's absolutely heartbreaking. I could just cry for them. This is what they deserve, so they reckon. Fatty by there smirking. Oh bless, all out of breath. Including police that are out to protect us. One's hiding.
Regret every single decision you've made today. Every single one of them. Yes, me. All of you. What are you stealing our home? What are you doing? Even when it's been investigated and the judge has agreed.
Just shows what cunts people are. Judge agreed it was fraudulent. This should not be happening today.
Because he agreed that they had fraudulently obtained the warrant.
But now we can put it back on because you actually fucking stole it.
Did you check? check the warrant.
No, I doubt any of them can fucking read.
Did you?
No, you didn't.
I know he didn't. Yeah. Port Tribunals and Enforcement Act, 2007, Schedule 12, Section 26, Section 20. This should be.
This is Darren, this is now. He's done all his homework on this case. Judge even admitted that they were being wrongfully treated. And this is what happens while a judge, they're overruling what a judge have said. Little girl in there now being calmed down again. She's petrified, 7 years of age. Share away, please, so everyone can see what's going on. We're just having a breather a minute. Yeah. Quiet a minute.
7th of September at Dunbar Magistrates Court. Here you go. Still alive, private criminal prosecution. You going to argue with the judge, to you? Idiot.
How can they civilly take something which is being prosecuted criminally?
I know, and you just stood there like a pair of numpties, man. Embarrassed for you. Embarrassed that our police force is not doing their job.
Grace is getting upset again in there.
Terrorists. That's what you are. Terrorists, and none of you can look me in the fucking eye. You disgust me, the lot of you. Let me just ask you something.
Child abusers as well.
Fraudulently signed someone else's name. You ain't allowed to do that, are you? And neither are you allowed to make up details and sign people's names either. Well, that's what happened, and that's why the judge agreed with 29 out of the 30 charges and issued the summons. And you two are frigid. What on earth are you thinking? It's alright, I'll go down and see you now anyway. As soon as this happens, we'll go straight down to see your boss.
Okay.
Doing your job, like they did at Nuremberg with the Nazis. I mean, they didn't get away with it in the end, did they? Nah. Just doing my job doesn't cut it. Ignorance of the law is no excuse. I know the law. You clearly don't. I'm coming for every single fucking one of you.
No, it's just horrendous. Well, make sure it hits your calf. Use your head, love. You know.
Because I'll be putting in fucking assault charges as well. Wankers, a lot of you.
How's that for you?
Well, I'm quite impressed, Kath. It's like Fort Knox. That's not their property. That's not their property.
What can we do, Dad? The mafia, innit?
Mobs, mate.
Bingo.
It's a private house, yeah.
They're putting it on someone else's property now, just slinging it like, you know, not a care in the world.
Lad, you're protecting the banks, they're corporate, they're thieves, they're robbers.
They are robbers. And those two are just stood there watching them do it.
Yeah, but because they're operating under officer law, not their jurisdiction of
I don't really know what that means, do they?
Come on, they're causing distress and harm to a child in there.
Yes, child abuse.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, child abuse. Child abuse.
It is, yeah. You terrorise myself.
Yeah.
Still, when the crash comes, guys, when the crash comes in, 6 months, a year down the road, you're like, you could be on this other
How
side of the fence.
heartbreaking.
You're a fucking joke.
Cunts is the better word, Kath.
Dangerous one that gets people homeless. You want to look at your oath, I think, don't you? And you want to start understanding what it is you're meant to do. You haven't even looked at the warrant. And I got that on video for cheers.
So what jurisdiction are you under here for then? What's your jurisdiction? Make sure there's no harm or loss.
I don't need to talk to you.
You can talk to me. I'm a civil being. I'm a human being. I'm a public servant. You're there to serve
I don't need to
me.
explain my actions to you.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
You do.
Yes, you do. You're under your. Why are you? You're an officer or constable
I
today?
told you I'm not speaking.
Are you a constable or an officer today? Under what jurisdiction you working under, gentlemen?
A joke.
No speeching, yeah? We pay your wages. We're public servants.
Exactly.
And we're just paying your wages and you can't talk to me as a human being. Really?
They don't look at you like that though, do they? You scum.
Boys and girls, right? When the shit's a fan, God help us.
Ladies and
Because you're going to fucking need us as much as we fucking need you.
Welcome to
Alright, cheers, come in boys. It's fucking coming, mate.
Boys.
Fucking men my ass.
And now,
They're not men.
Me and my little girl are homeless because of you. You make me sick. What would you do if you found out?
Oi, mate,
that
and you
got
lot,
your
alright?
mortgage documents,
If you got a pension, fuck your pensions, mate. They're going soon as well, you little pricks.
And then forged your signature. What would you do? Is that not fraud? Yes, it fucking is. And we've got the material evidence.
All
which is
stood
why
there with
it's
sour
just agreement.
faces.
You're
No
good
care
here.
in the
I
world
don't know.
to nothing.
Fuck off.
Oh, another helper.
There's a difference between a human being and an entity as a fixed entity, your birth certificate. Do you understand your birth certificate is not you? Do you understand that? Do you understand your birth
God.
certificate is not you, the human
It's
being?
hysterical.
Hence why your name is black capitals, yeah? On your birth certificate, etc., on your bank details. Because it's your fixed entity, it's not you, the human being. You are flesh, my man. You're not a piece of fucking paper.
Oh, and here we go.
Yeah, I believe.
In they go. No, I won't. Move out the way. Don't touch that little kid, mine. God help you. What are they doing in there? Oh dear. We're not allowed in. Fuck right off, you cheeky cunt. We're not allowed in. Have you heard it all? We're not allowed in. Go on, go in. Let them push me out the fucking way. Fuck off, you idiot! Assault! You've just abused a fucking child! You push me and I'll have you for assault! Oh, married. Oh dear. Showing the warrant. Oh.
They don't know the law. They don't know it.
Don't push past my stomach, please. I'm pregnant heavily. Thank you. Oh no, there's a dog. He's gonna have pushing and shoving. Little girl in there as well. Just get Bingo to bite them all.
Yeah. But will you grab that, please?
It's just horrendous.
dog handler about?
Yeah, he's up there.
Jack can go get a dog handler.
Where will you park him?
Your mum's on the way. Thingy's mum's, you know. Catherine's. It's horrendous. It's been horrendous. Oh, and they're crying her eyes out. Sorry, love, you're on camera.
Yeah.
She's been hysterical. I've got it all on you. You alright, love?
That's my niece, like.
I know. Yeah, they don't care, love. She's been screaming. It's been terrible.
Mum, just grab Grace and get out.
You see it on live as well.
We were watching it and then it went off.
Yeah, it
So
did.
I just said to Mum, I went, come on.
I've got it on camera, all of it. No, you alright, love?
No, it's
I know.
my brother.
I know. It's dreadful, love.
Grace, come on, babes.
Now the family have turned up to... This is what they've done to a 9-year-old little girl. 7. Oh, I added 2 years on them, babes. All right, darling, we'll see you in a bit.
How you fucking shaking?
Oh, bless, it's awful.
You should be ashamed of yourself. You make me sick. Fucking sick.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Calm down.
All right. All right. We'll sort it. We'll sort it.
Ah.
We'll sort it. You don't give up yet. You don't give up yet.
They haven't won.
You don't give up yet. Come on. Come on, we do this together. Come on. Darling, you're not going to see.
No.
It's still even. We haven't even gone
All
back
right.
to
Yeah, but that's
school
just
yet.
today. Don't worry, right? We sort it. Where's the
In
bingo?
there, I think, still. It's bingo in there, yeah. I thought it was one of the men talking.
They haven't won yet. I know they have, because I've taken you two to court. Section 26 of Criminal Justice Court Act 2015. Do you even know what it is? You won't even look at me. I get less. You two. Foul! You disgust me, you really do. You just watch them break into my home, terrorise my 7-year-old daughter, and it's still going through the criminal court. You have no right to do that. You had to act for me. You had to get rid of them for me, not fucking let them do it.
Wasn't you the one that rang them?
Yes! I ring the police to protect me because I pay you wages, and then you come and let them barge through my door like that. I really hope you... How the fuck can you sleep at night?
Lads, you didn't need us one day. You didn't need the people. For fuck's sake.
I know. Well, when you lot wake up, you'll need
them.
them.
Set up. You go tits up, and you're gonna fucking need us. Fucking, you'll be crying.
Put them in my house. Yeah. Come on, yeah.
And like caring me, you've got thousands of your coppers in and fucking.
They haven't won,
Look
Look what they've done to my fucking house. I know, but they haven't won, Listen, they haven't won. They haven't. Bastards. Terrorists is what you are. Fucking terrorists.
And child abusers, don't forget that one.
There is my bag in there.
Still in
My
there.
black bag. There.
These Catherine's friends.
I don't know, they've gone to get a dog handler.
Oh right, dog handler on the way now. This one by here. This.
Sorry. They're taking the dog.
Are they allowed, are they?
I don't know.
Right, are they allowed to take the dog? Darren?
No, they're not allowed to take
No, you're not allowed to take the dog. A Doberman in it? Well, what does it look like?
Silverman, black and brown.
That's so thick.
It's just stood in the window.
Honest to God, that's so thick. It's a fucking horse. Yeah, let's hope it is today.
How many do they actually fucking need?
They just said to us we're not allowed in the house.
Just take bingo now, that is.
Are they allowed to take bingo?
I'm not sure,
No, they're
love.
just there just in case, but they've all been in there with them and he haven't bit any of them, so...
No nasty.
No.
Fucking ought to be.
I know.
Sorry.
Oh,
So why are you on it 2 years for?
stood around like idiots. More coming to him. Here we go.
Of the modern world. Enforcing it in.
They know the judges. They know the judge have given him all his charges. Well, 29 out of 30. It's all right. They'll all be involved. They'll all be in videoed, live streamed. You're all involved in theft of a property, mind. You can stand there looking fucking smug. Going through the courts. They've even showed the proof that it's adjourned till September.
Get back to the wood. Someone's head.
Right. I'm going to video where they've thrown the door on someone else's property. Private property.
Blood's boiling. Is that live? No, filming. I'm filming this, yeah. Oh, another one.
Is that what you do for a living, Carol? That's what I do for a living. That's what I do for a living.
I care about people, unlike you lot. You want to look into your job more then, don't you? Because I'm sorry, I wouldn't want to work in a job like yours. At least I care and love people.
What's she going to
All
leave
you
now?
do is steal homes.
Why is she going to leave now?
It's obviously for the dog. Oh, it's awful, isn't it? I could...
Alright. They didn't even check the warrant.
Well, Dad.
Is that dog alright? Has he had a drink or anything? I bet he's fancied.
Freaking out, isn't he?
Well, of course he
What's
is.
the enforcing though? Which bag he'll be in, to be honest.
Thank
7-2.
1648.
2172?
No, 1272.
1648.
1648, and who was the other one?
533.
648.
Yeah.
And 533.
What's that, their numbers?
Yeah,
Right.
Which I don't wear when they things like lights and stuff. You can find out. I wonder why. Red barracks armours as well.